Yo, what's up, everybody? We're here at Brzezicki Brothers Performance in the garage. And as you can see, we made some progress on the Whipple install. In the middle of it, we're doing some other things, some custom stuff. We're gonna show you what we've been up to. So, without further ado, let's take a look. So we got some more progress on the Whipple install. We got the lid all buttoned up. We had to take this one bracket off too to gain access to the bolts back there. We got all the bolts in, torqued down. We got all the hoses and couplers and adapters connected. We still got to tighten up some stuff. I'm gonna wait till I get the fuel lines in there. These fittings all need tightened up, but all the hoses, you can see we had to put a Y in there, coupler in there. Then we got they sent us the fitting. We got the fitting in so we can finish this to the coolant line for the heater core. Yep. The 3.0. The belt that came with the kit was the one that we got to fit for right now, but I think we're gonna get a smaller one. We tried looking up some stuff on their website, but didn't notice it said with the Whipple tensioner, so we were gonna try and run these belts, one of these, but there's no way I was getting them on. And you can see we got the hoses over here, and then we got the fitting, the clips for the PVC for the brake. I broke the clip for it. We got the clip in. We got to get the fuel lines here in a little bit. And then you can see all this down here. The harness plugged in. There's one back here that you had to get the extension for, but this is the wire right here. The extension. So now the boost sensor's down there. We got the Y fitting in down there. The lines ran all the lines are ready to hook up. And it's looking pretty sexy. Thing looks sick in there. So let's go take a look at some of the custom work we got going on here. Nothing too crazy, but damn. Look at those. These are looking sick. So what I basically did, I had my brother get him the a touch-up paint kit. Twister orange. Sucked it up with the syringe. And put it in there. Try not to overflow it. Had a couple mishaps. They ain't super perfect, but you barely see the coil covers anyway in the car. Cleaned everything off with alcohol before I put the paint in there. So yeah, those are looking pretty sweet. And on to the next step. We got the fuel pump out, and we're gonna start doing the fuel system here in a second. But yeah, see, this is the clip that I broke, and then this is the heater hose fitting we were missing. Got it in. I'll put those on. So we're gonna do I don't know. What do you think? An eeny, meeny, miny, mo for the what fuel rails we're gonna use? So this is the stock fuel rails and injectors that were in the car from the factory. And I think you can use this with the Whipple kit and give you an adapter for the fuel line. I think this is from the fuel pump. And then these are, as you can see, the Whipple fuel rails. Fuel rail kit that comes with the Whipple. But we are not using these ones. We're not using the stock ones. We are using the Division X. Got the whole fuel system from Lethal Performance. Got brackets. We got the bolts. I got the fuel pressure sensor in here already. You gotta tighten them up. You gotta tighten the fittings. I got the fittings in where they're gonna go. And this is what the fuel rails are looking like that we're gonna use for our setup. And these bad boys. Yes. These are some big boys right here. Yes. Some 1700 injectors. We're going to be running E85. And then this is most of the rest of the fuel system. Fuel lines. The Y fitting. We got to hook everything up here. The regulator. The fuel filter. Big boy fuel filter. And then some of the other fuel lines from the Y to the rails. And then this is the lines from the tank. And we got all the vacuum lines and clamps and everything to bolt up the fuel lines to the car. And then this is the power setup. Some of the wiring we're going to have to run for the fuel system. So this is what the fuel system is looking like. We're going to be using these rails for the other two sets to the side. And them custom coil covers. Had to put a little touch on the car. So we're getting close with the Whipple. Just look at that. That thing looks so sick. So yeah, hope you guys keep hitting them like, share, and subscribe buttons and tuning in. Hope you guys like these videos. And you know, they're nothing special. I don't do no editing really. I'm just doing it by my phone. Just trying to put some cool content out there, and I want to thank y'all for tuning in and subscribing. So keep on doing it, keep it up, and until them next videos, peace.